Hello there, this is Max from High on Android, where we get on Android every day. Anyway guys, we're in South Lake Tahoe and we got snowed in today. So we were gonna go home today, but we decided to stay 2 days longer. Anyway, it's snowing like crazy out there. If you guys want to see the craziness, let me show you. Let's go do this, baby. Anyway guys, I used my Sony A7S II with the 24-70 Canon lens, which I just got. I think it's a very sharp lens. I really like it. That's why I did this test also, sort of, and show you the Lake Tahoe. But if you guys are interested in my setup, I'll put it in the description below. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Lastly but not least, do you guys like horses? I thought so.
I'm gonna murder you!
Ah! You get back there. You get back there. Go back to your castle. Listen to your British dad.
Hi! Click here to subscribe! Click here to subscribe!